What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. How many of you guys remember this video? If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that it has been about a year since I came on camera and trimmed my hair. Now for this video, I did it with the tension method, and this was more of like a tutorial. You guys were wondering how I trimmed my hair now that my hair has gotten longer, and this was just like a very quick, ghetto in the kitchen type of trim, just something very basic for my ladies who are like me, who don't really wear their hair straight, and you just need to make sure that you're trimming your hair for maintenance. If you guys are interested in that video, just make sure that you check the description box for the link. This video is going to be more of a trim with me. It's not going to be a tutorial, but if you're interested in how I trim my hair for maintenance, stay tuned. All right, guys, so you guys already see what is in this camera. Yes, I tried the RevAir reverse air blow dryer. Now this video is not going to be a review on the RevAir. I do have a review on the RevAir coming because my experience, I feel like, was a little different than some people's, okay? We will touch more on this blow dryer later, but basically all you need to know is that I did use that blow dryer to get most of my hair blow dried just so that I could give myself a maintenance trim, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So now that my hair is completely blown out, I did change shirts. I don't know why I thought to wear a black shirt for a trimming video, but like I said, this is just going to be like a watch me trim my hair type situation. So what I like to do is section my hair off in two halves, a front half and a back half, and then I split that half into two sections. This is how I style my hair. So I trim my hair in the way that I style it. What you're going to do, and this is very important because with blow dried hair, you guys, with blow dried hair, all of it is not dead. A lot of people look at blow dried hair and they feel like they see thin pieces, they feel like they see straggly pieces, and you have textured hair, guys. So you don't want to go crazy. Like, I'm gonna start by just evening it up, combing it out, but you don't want to like just go crazy on your ends because you think that they're damaged because it's blow dried. And it's like you have textured hair, sis. Like, some of your hair just may not be blow dried evenly, so just make sure that you're keeping that in mind. And I just like to make sure for that first section that the pieces match, and then I go into like both sides. I take a smaller section of hair, and then that's when I look directly at the ends and I start to trim the ends for damage. This is when it's going to start to make your hair a little uneven because I'm just trying to trim off the damage, and then once I trim off the damage, I even up that, and I have to get in the mirror for that. So you guys won't see that on camera, but I just look in the mirror and make sure that it's even after I've trimmed the damage. So basically, I split my hair into two sections, small pieces, look, visually assess the damage, making sure that I'm not just cutting random hair. And I do that on both sides. Then I take that hair and I align it with the rest of my hair and just make sure that both sides of my hair are even. Sometimes it'll be I have to cut a little extra healthy hair to get it even with the other side, but what we say, health over length. Now I did end up styling my hair while it was blow dried. You guys will have to wait for the next video to see the final results of my blown out hairstyle. But if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you made it all the way to the end, you definitely should be my cousin. So make sure that you're subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.